Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find k value solution. K plus 9 whole power 2 equal to 49. Here we are going to apply algebra formula that a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here k square plus 9 square plus 2 times k 9 equal to this 49. Now here k square plus this 9 square is 81 plus 2 times 9 is 18k equal to 49. Now k square plus 18k, this is plus 81 minus 49, moving this 49 left hand side, equal to 0. Now k square plus 18k, this is 32 equal to 0. Now 32 can be written as 16 times 2. Same way, this 18k written as 16 plus 2k. So applying this here, so k square plus 16k plus 2k plus 32 equal to 0. Now we are going to take k common from this. So k open bracket, k plus 16 plus, here 2 common from this, 2 open bracket, k plus 16 equal to 0. Now here we are going to take k plus 16 common out. So k plus 16, remaining we have k plus 2 equal to 0. Here k plus 16, k plus 2 equal to 0. From this k plus 16 equal to 0. From this k plus 2 equal to 0. Here k equal to minus 16. Here k equal to minus 2. These are the possible answers in method 1. Now we are going to try this in another method, that method 2. Here the equation is k plus 9 whole square equal to 49. Now k plus 9 whole square, moving this 49 left hand side, minus 49 equal to 0. Now k plus 9 whole square minus 7 square, this 49 can be written as equal to 0. Here we are going to apply this algebra formula, a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So k plus 9 plus 7 times k plus 9 minus 7 equal to 0. Now here k plus 9 plus 7 equal to 0. From this k plus 9 minus 7 equal to 0. Here k plus, this is 16 equal to 0. Here k, this is plus 2 equal to 0. Here this is k equal to minus 16. Here k equal to minus 2. This is the same answer in method 2. 2. Now we are going to try another method, that method 3. Here the equation is k plus 9 whole square equal to 49. Now k plus 9 whole square equal to 49. Now here k plus 9 whole square equal to 49. Now we are going to take a square root on both sides. So k plus 9 whole square in square root equal to plus or minus square root of 49. Now the square and square root will cancel each other. We have k plus 9 equal to plus or minus this 49 square root is 7. So we have k plus 9 equal to plus 7. Other one is k plus 9 equal to minus 7. From this, k equal to 7 minus 9, k equal to minus 2. Here k equal to minus 7 minus 9, k equal to minus 16. These are the possible answers in method 3. Now we are going to verify this. Verify k plus 9 whole square equal to 49. The k values are k equal to minus 2, k equal to minus 16. Applying this here, so we'll get here minus 2 plus 9 whole square equal to 49. This is 7 square equal to 49. So here 7 square is 49 equal to 49. So LHS equal to RHS. We have verified in equation for the k of minus 2. Now we are going to verify for k equal to minus 16. Applying this here, minus 16 plus 9 whole square equal to 49. Here minus 16 plus 9 whole square equal to 49. This is whole square equal to 49. Now this negative 7 square is 49 equal to 49. So LHS equal to RHS. Here also verified. Thanks for watching this video.